Hello, football fans. The moment we all have been waiting is finally here. The FIFA 2026 World Cup is coming to North America, and if you want to be in the stadium when history is made, you'll need to understand exactly how the ticketing process works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for FIFA tickets draw so that you have chances in order to get the tickets. So let's get started. And one more thing which I want to share with you guys that I already have the tickets to France versus Senegal match which is going to held on June 16, and I got those tickets in the early phases of the FIFA draw. So do mention in the comments which team you are looking to book the tickets for. FIFA uses a draw to give tickets to the fans. So first you need to create an ID on the FIFA website, register yourself, and then fill out your application for which teams you are looking to buy and what tickets are you looking to buy for. So without wasting any further time, open a Google tab and enter FIFA tickets. This one, FIFA. Don't open any other link. Okay, this one, FIFA tickets and hospitality. Click on this link. Once you're on the FIFA website, you'll see FIFA World Cup 2026, 11 June to 19 July, just to confirm the dates. And click on this ticket option, click on Explore Details. And then click on again under the tickets to learn more. It will open a different tab where you're supposed to create your you are supposed to sign in if you already have if you are already registered, but if you are not registered, click on over here don't have an account to click on sign up. Since I already have it, I'm not going to register, but let me show you how to sign up. Click on the sign up button. For registering, you need to provide all your details like your first name, last name, email address, date of birth. You must be 18 years and older, country of residence, gender, and preferred language of communication. I have provided all these random details and then click on continue. On the next page, it will ask you to create your password, confirm the password, and click on all these checkbox in order to get the latest updates and marketing emails and all that, agreeing to the terms and conditions of FIFA, and click on create account. Once you click on create your account, you will receive an email and get an end code in order to log in. Since I provided an incorrect email address, I cannot log in, but you need to enter the correct code and verify your code. Once you verify the code, you'll be able to log in into your FIFA account. So do make sure that you provide the correct email address in order to register. Click on this My Application and you'll be taken to this page. Scroll down and click on this Random Selection Draw. Click on Continue, and then here you can select the tickets or the matches which you want to book the tickets for. So let's say if I select one for, let's say, Germany. This is the one, or not this one, let's say, okay, Ecuador versus Germany. So click on show more. Then there are different category of tickets and the prices available for you which you want to book the tickets for. Select the one which you want to book the tickets for. Let's say I select category 3. You need to enter the number of tickets for which you want, like for all your family members. Enter it, and then let's say I'm entering 2. It says the price is $740 CAD. If you scroll down at the bottom, match 97 and onwards are quarterfinals, and then you have the this one like match 104 is the final. So you can also book the tickets for these, but you can just see that the prices are pretty expensive. Like the lowest is $5,855 Canadian dollars. So let's say if I book tickets for 2 people for this final as well, like I'm just registering, okay, there is no harm, and then click on continue. It is just one catch while registering. So whatever you are registering, once you provide your credit card details and if your name comes into the draw, your credit card will be automatically deducted for that amount for those tickets. So even if you cannot afford the final, do not register for it because they will automatically deduct your credit card for those tickets if your name got selected. So and register for the tickets which you can pay and go and see. Okay. So over here they give you the option that if you want to sit it to next to your family, enter their application number. So if there are your friends who are registering with a separate email address, enter their application number over here so that they can sit together. Okay, and then there is a category preferences, like if you are selecting category 2 for booking the tickets, but if your name comes into the draw but there are no category 2 tickets available, do you want to downgrade and book the category 3? You can select this option to downgrade. This increases your chances to get the tickets. Okay, then scroll down and then you need to enter the details of the credit card which you want to use for booking the tickets, which will be automatically deducted once your name comes under the draw. So now provide the details of the credit card for which through which you want to pay for your tickets. As you see, I have already the details of my credit card, and as you can see, I have only selected a ticket for the final. I have modified my criteria. Okay, just one to be sure thing to be sure of. Automatically charges will begin and for the partially and fully successful candidates on 6 February 2026. Fully successful means that you have whatever matches you have registered, you have got the tickets of all the matches. Partially successful applicants means that you have registered for 4 matches, but you have got the tickets for 2 matches, and hence they will deduct the price. They deduct your credit card on 6 February 2026. So keep an eye on it. Okay, scroll down and just confirm. Select this checkbox that you are agreeing to all the terms and conditions and click on submit application. Once you submit, you'll receive a message that your application has been registered, and you will also receive an email regarding the same. So keep an eye on this. You will get the results by 5th of Feb or 6th of Feb. So wish you all the best and hope you get the tickets for whatever matches you're selecting. And thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.